record this. You always multiply straight up and then to the left. So we're first going to do 2 times 9. Hey, that's a math fact. 2 times 9, that's 18. Put down the 8, carry the 1. Now I go to the left. 2 times 2. Hey, that's 4. Plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 times 1 is, well, 2. So you should have 2,858 as your first sort of row of numbers there, your first line of numbers. Now, is the whole question asking me to do 1,429 times 2?
No.
No, that would be easy. It's asking me to do it times 42. So if I've multiplied by 2, what do I have left to multiply? Use a hand raise, don't shout it out. What do I have left to multiply? So far, right? So far I've multiplied by 2. Well, what else is left? It says to multiply by 42. I've multiplied by 2. Rachel. So, okay, Carter H, that's fine. That's what we're doing right now, right? We're learning it. So, and actually, I'm going to just pause there for a second here, folks. Because some people are like, I don't know how to do this. That's why we're doing it right now, right? This is what we're doing. This is the learning part. This is we're in class learning how to do this stuff. So if you don't know how to do this, then you really need to be paying attention and writing down everything I write down so that you learn. Because that's our whole goal today, is to learn how to do this. Now, Rachel said I need to multiply by 4, and she's close to being right. But does this question say multiply by 2 and multiply by 4? Or is this 4, does it actually mean something else? Is this 4 just a 4? Maddie?
It's a 40.
Yeah, isn't that number 42? So if we've multiplied by 2, we have 40 left. So I'm going to make another little note here, and this is now going to be 1,429 times 40. How many of you have memorized your 40 times tables? I haven't. So I want you to pay super close attention to this, folks. If I could turn on a bright flashing neon light above my head, I would do it right now. And that neon light would say so many 5th graders mess this up, and it's just because they don't pay attention. I've been doing this for so many years, you guys, and every year I say, hey, pay attention. If you forget this one little step, you'll get the wrong answer. And 5th graders are like, yeah, whatever. And they mess it up, and it's just such an easy step. Okay, we're not going to actually multiply by 40 because that's hard. We're going to just put that 0 right there underneath our 8. And now we can multiply by 4. Now this is a rule that you always need to remember. When you're multiplying by a 2-digit number, you first multiply the number in the ones column. Then you multiply the number in the tens column. Before you multiply by the tens number, you have to put down that 0. It doesn't matter if it's 40, 20, 10, 80, 90, 70, whatever. You have to put a 0 there. If you don't, you're going to be wrong. And now that we've put a 0 there, we can start multiplying. So we're now going to do 4 times 9, right? You always start on the far right. 4 times 9 is 36. Put down the 6, carry the 3. Hey, there's a little 1 up there. Do I still need to use that little 1 that I've put up there? I see a lot of people shaking their heads no. I agree. We already used that one. Okay. Now I need to do 4 times 2, which is 8. And 8 plus 3 is 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1. Now, 4 times 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Carry the 1. Whew, my last number to multiply is 4 times 1. Four times 1. I'm seeing a lot of hands go up. Just get with numbers on them. That's pretty good. Sawyer, what do you think?
I think it's 4 plus 1.
Ah, yes. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So now I got these two numbers. Anybody know what I need to do with those two numbers? Anybody got a theory? I've multiplied by the 2, and I've multiplied by the 40, and I've got all these numbers here. Carter H., what do you think I should do now?
Maybe you could add them.
Sure, let's add them up. Well, I don't really like that color. Hold on a second here. Let's do purple instead. All right. This is the part where it's important to line up your numbers. So if I add these up, I first have 8 plus 0. That sounds like 8. 5 plus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put down the 1. Carry the 1. Oh my gosh, 5th graders. So many 5th graders get questions wrong because they don't carry the 1 back when they're just adding. Got to remember that little detail. Now I have 8 plus 1 plus 1. 8, 9, 10. Down to 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 7 is 10. And last, I have 1 plus 5 is 6. Put a comma there if we like. 60,018. And if you need some more time to add those up, that's fine, or write those down. I'm just going to leave that on the screen there.